Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, update on Matic. I don't do Matic often. I know there are many other YouTubers that they do it, so I try to do only coins that maybe are less popular out there, so more useful. So this is why if you have a coin that you think has a great potential and not all-time downtrend chart, well, you can drop it in the comments, and I'll try to cover it if I find it's good to share. Okay, so we had a wave 1 here, we had the A, B, C corrective movement, and unlikely so many altcoin out there, unfortunately, that they're struggling and they didn't manage to keep their lower low, their previous lower low. At least Matic is doing that, but it's getting challenging. I start to be worried about Matic. Here was looking great. Everybody was happy, but now honestly, in my opinion, we are at critical levels, and I start to be a little bit scared. So let's see if Matic is able to hold these levels. As you can see, I can start a trend line from the beginning here in December 2020. I touch this point here, and as you can see, we kind of wick a little bit below this trend line on, when was that exactly? The 10th of June, and after that we regain higher levels. And now, as you can see, I start to be worried because, as you can see, we did break below, and now we are a few days. I mean, it's not dramatic, but we cannot afford to go much lower, right? Now, worst case scenario, I'm trying to see here. So in my opinion, starting from this cycle, lower low, this was our first wave 1. We did an A here. After that, we had the A, B, C for the wave B, and now this is the wave C. So if I do the Fibonacci retracement based on this impulsive movement, we are approaching as well the 0.786. So as you can see, I have like two support, if you want, indicators or levels that I can rely on. Also, we have this previous peak here that it kind of hold us maybe a little bit and act as a support. So we have positive things, but we need to be aware of. Let me go on the 12 hours. Not really. I know the price is going lower, so 4 hours maybe. I was looking if we have at least a MA that can hold us, but as you can see, it's not looking great, right? And since was that? July, mid of July, we are into this downtrend, and the price is trying to break over the MA200, but then often is not able to sustain those levels, and then we fail again. So now we are about to maybe do another test here. Let's see if in smaller time frame we can achieve that. Now, just want to go and check the indicators on the daily. So we start to be oversold. Just want to be sure here. So we're quite, that's not. Usually I like to say, RSI, when it was at this level, price was very low and now we're higher. But unfortunately for this, in this case, the wick was at 50 cents and we're at 54. So still positive, but if you think that, actually, if you check, almost, okay, it's okay. But we're barely higher than before, so it's kind of dangerous water. Let's see once again. So hopefully we are going to reverse, because otherwise I will have to start to consider a bearish count for Matic. We're not there yet, but as you can see, we're not far from invalidating even this first count with the orange or yellow count, right? So actually, let me put the invalidation point. Hopefully we will not need it. So it's here. So 31.5 it was, no, actually, let me still talk in the present. 31.5 it's our lower low up to now. So let's see, hopefully, I know I shouldn't say hopefully, because but let's see if Matic can manage to not make a new lower low in this cycle. And yeah, expecting a nice impulsive movement to the upside. So once again, I think I did it already before. I think green count, right, should be in yellow, otherwise it's confusing, right? Yellow. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2. So third wave in yellow should go somewhere about $1.88. And the fifth wave, let me take out these boxes now, I think they're less relevant. And yeah, for fifth wave, $2.62. Once again, we can go much higher. Let me take out this one now. And $3.36 could be another one if we, the third wave usually really skyrocket, and a mixed extension. So it could be possible that, we're going to have higher levels. 336 very nice, after that 410. But for the moment, as you can see, we are very far from those levels. 54 55 cents. So let's take one day at a time. Let's see if Matic can hold this level and regain at least this longer trend that it was bullish, and it's still bullish. And after that, it would be the best to start to reach higher levels. Alright, this is pretty much all for Matic. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.